I think it's better to make short videos with a specific thing. So I took the engine out of my truck here and I broke off the part of the bell housing. That's where the engine connects, and that tab right there, I left the bolt in there, accidentally broke it off. So there it is. So the question is, what's the best way to fix that? Can I glue it with JB Weld or Permatex metal? Or should I do an aluminum weld on it? I don't think it's that critical of a bolt, but I certainly didn't want to do that. So anyway, give me your suggestions, will you? Thanks.